P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Look at that.
And that's it.
You get from Jag is a nice ride. You're disconnected from the world. That's the point. Anyway,
And those wheels, there's no anyway about it. That's the best Jag probably ever made. Well, it is.
no.
Tell me, what's wrong with that?
One of the wheels is odd.
Yes, right, I know exactly what's happened here. Previous owners had a puncture. He simply borrowed a wheel from another car at the same time. Could actually run into a snowboarder. Oh, I'm sorry, was that annoying? Now you know what it feels like. Eventually, we started on the final leg down into the town, and Richard and I got into a bit of a race.
Come on. A little bit more, girl. Oh, bumpy. Oh, very bumpy. Very bumpy.
Oh, yes.
Oh, no!
That's the worst thing I've ever done, ever. And now I'm going to turn around and do it again. I've got to wait for my own wash to die down. That's what did for Campbell. He went back too quickly. Here we go.
Found at that time because of the nature of what was found. Stream, shallow stream. Experts were called in, archaeologists and pathologists, to excavate her, but also to secure as much physical evidence from the scene as we could.
There had been a concerted effort to conceal her in the bottom of the stream bed. Some head and her feet seen at the bottom.
The villain in the film.
Almost certainly made their way here via Spain for obvious reasons. In the Middle Ages, the bagpipe was simply one of many popular folk instruments that have since fallen into disuse, like the racket, the crumhorn, the rebec, the hurdy-gurdy, the portative organ. Here in Sicily, they had a particular strain of bagpipe called the Ciaramena. And I'm going to meet a man called Pippo, who mentioned
legal right to live and stay in the UK. But when they could not find rented accommodation, they went to Bromley Council in South London for help, but were denied. They slept in side streets and in parks alongside suitcases containing all that they have, before eventually being found after 12 days on the steps of a different council building in North London.
If they don't care about me, they should care about my children. The way they are treating us is worse than animals.
Dear Jimmy, please, could you fix it for me to patrol 10 Downing Street as a police lady? 10 Downing Street. Prime Ministers.
had 161 calls to our helpline.
Police announcing 340 separate lines of inquiry.
The government is deeply concerned, the Prime Minister. The nation is appalled. We're all appalled by the allegations of what Jimmy Savile did, and they seem to get worse by the day.
Police say there are now 400 lines of inquiry.
Yes. P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.